All right. Hello, everybody. Scott Girard here. And today I'm talking to you about why are you not using YouTube to grow your business in 2021? Common myths and why they just are not true. And today I'm just going to start off with a little bit of a story of me and my business. And I was following along the path of social media and getting training in that, spent thousands and thousands of dollars on that and wasn't really getting anywhere, and I didn't really know what was going on, things like that. And all of a sudden I'm like, oh my goodness, YouTube is amazing because we can create content on YouTube, we can place it there on the front page of Google, and it's there for years to come. So here are your common myths that I've found over a few years here in marketing online. So it takes a lot of time and energy to build a following on YouTube. But actually, in actuality, with a system in place, it actually takes less time than other methods. And so you can have a system in place, you can build a following on YouTube in a relatively short amount of time, and that following actually ends up being your people, and people that are your people will buy products and service for you because you're offering them value, and they love that. So and it's amazing, and you can do this on Facebook and social media and things as well. And if you're doing that, continue doing that. Of course, this will just add fuel to your fire that you have going already. And there's this other common myth that you need a ton of subscribers to earn money. Yes, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to monetize your channel, but you don't need that many to start making or earning money on YouTube. You can create content, you can put that into a course, and you know, online courses are so popular now, and put that into a course that you can sell, and you can market, and you can have a following of very few people and still make money. Now another one is, and you need to spend a lot of money to earn. So advertising costs money. So you need to advertise to get people to your YouTube channel, that type of thing. Agencies cost money. Yes, agencies do, because they're very good at what they do, and they help big companies earn money. $5 to $10,000 a month is what the average price for an agency costs. But here's the thing, YouTube is free. You can create content with a webcam, a laptop, or like a webcam and a laptop, or a phone, and content is what people buy. And you don't need advertising or an agency to start. So here's the kicker. My mentor, Paul Murphy, has designed a system that helps you rank number 1, 2, or 3 on Google in 24 hours. And so having that ranking will get you in front of your audience. And this is in front of your red hot buyers, for your people that are searching what you have to offer. And you get free ads on Google and YouTube for years to come. He has 4,000 subscribers he had when he did this. Now he's upwards of 5,000 now. And generated over $1 million with one webinar in 4 months without advertising or monetizing his channel. So I'm just going to go there. Here's his free 10-part course here. You know, if you're interested in that, I'll drop a link in the comments. But be sure to go to my next video, like and subscribe my channel, because I sure appreciate you, and let me know what you're doing, what maybe anything that you've run up against in terms of creating a YouTube channel for yourself. What are some of the things that some of the things that are holding you back from doing your own, or what are the things that you have tried and are working? I'd love to hear that. Let me know in the comments as well. And head on over to scottsentme.com, and I'll put that in the comments, /ATS course, scottsentme.com /ATS course, and we'll see you on the next video.